to divide polynomials now. This is actual topic of today. So just now we have completed zeros of the polynomial. The next topic is dividing polynomials. How many of you know how to divide if two numbers are given? For example, 20 divided by 3, how to do that? How many of you know? Show me thumbs up. How many of you know? Right. So these people know how to divide, right? Yeah, okay, great. So beta, let me remind you that this is how we divide. If it is something like 479 divided by 7. 479, if it is divided by 7, in this 479 is something which we divide, and that is called dividend. That is going to be divided, right? And who is dividing? 7 is dividing. Who is dividing? 7. So this 7 is called divisor, and some people call it as divisor. But now English is some difficult subject. We can pronounce British English or Indian English or what English, right? American English. So the accent, but I call it as divisor. Some people call it as divisor. Even that is also correct. Then you see, quotient is something which we are getting like this over here. 68 is the quotient. Sir, then R3 is there. What does it mean? R means remainder. What is the remainder here? The remainder is 3, right? So 7 into 68 plus 3, you will get what? 479. That means when you divide 479 with 7, you will get 68 as the quotient. You will get 3 as the remainder. So this is just to, recall the names, like what they are called. When you divide, what are the 4 different things? So now, if the same thing is done for polynomials, how it looks? It looks like this. Wow. Here what happened? Here 27x cubed plus 0x squared plus 0x plus 64 is being divided by 3x plus 4, and on division we got the quotient as 9x squared minus 12x plus 16. That's the quotient, and the remainder is what? It is 0, right? The remainder is 0. Now how we are getting these all steps? We are going to learn. We are going to learn how to divide polynomials. So I request everybody to observe this one very carefully, because the same thing is again going to come in your next year class. That is, even in 10th class also it will be coming, right? Yeah. So here presently you understood what is the quotient. The quotient is 9x squared minus 12x plus 6. The divisor is to 3x plus 4, and this is the dividend. And what is the remainder? The remainder is 0. Nana. What is the remainder? The remainder is 0. So now let me take you one question from our textbook so that you can better understand. This is example 6. 3x squared plus x minus 1. We need to divide this by x plus 1. So this is how we are getting the division. Let us understand it in a better manner through our whiteboard, right? Yeah, through our whiteboard. Whiteboard helps us. So example 6, 3x squared plus x minus 1. 3x squared plus x minus 1. This is our example 6, Nana. So this one we have to divide. We have to divide with whom? We have to divide this with x plus 1. With x plus 1. X plus 1. Now everybody, you're able to see the board now? Whiteboard? My voice is clear, everybody? My voice is clear? Right. Please reply. Yeah, okay, good. Now have a look. I have written here the dividend at its position. This is dividend. 3x squared plus x minus 1 is the dividend, and this is the divisor, x plus 1, right? So that is the dividend. Now what we are going to do? We are going to get the first term of the quotient. How we get the first term of the quotient? This is the place of quotient. Here what we will get? We will get quotient. We will get the quotient, right? Now the first term of quotient, how we will get? First term of quotient, first term. How we will get? Always you have to remember this thing, that is first term by first term. Inside first term by outside first term. every time inside first term by outside first term. Sir, what's that? Yeah, first you remember that inside first term, inside by outside first term. That means if you want the terms of quotient, every time you have to do inside first term by outside first term. Why we should do? I'll tell you, just a minute. Let me do first, right? Let me do first. What is the inside first term presently? It is 3x square. So I'm doing here 3x square by outside first term. What is outside first term? X. Please mute, Nana, mute. Outside first term is x. So when I do this, what I will get? Here, x square and x. Nana, Rishita, anything you want to talk? Yes, Rishita, ఏదైనా మాట్లాడతావా? Yes, Rishita, ఏదైనా మాట్లాడేది ఉందా? మరి మ్యూట్ చేసుకున్నానా, ప్లీజ్ మ్యూట్ చేసుకో. Okay, yeah, it will. If you want to talk, you can chat, no problem. If you want to talk, you can unmute and talk. I'm giving chance. Right, okay, good. So what is 3x square by x, Nana? It is actually x one time will get cancelled here. 3x square means 3 into x into x. So from that 2x, 1x will get cancelled and you will get 3x. So 3x is the first term of the quotient. 3x is the first term of the quotient. So here I will write 3x. Now let me tell you why we are doing this first term by first term. Because here actually what is the situation? The situation is what we should multiply 2x plus 1 so that we get the first term as 3x square. Think we are having here 10 and you are dividing it with 2, right? Now here what is the situation? The situation is what you should multiply to 2 so that you will get 10. Tell me answer. You can unmute and tell. What you should multiply to 2? 5. Very good. Thank you. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. So here we should get 5, right? Now how we are getting that 5? You divide, no, first term by first term. You divide 10 by 2. What you will get? 10 by 2 is what? 5. So that to get that first term only we are doing this. I hope you understood, everybody, right? Yeah. So this is how we are getting the first term. That is, we need to divide the outside term by the inside term so that we can predict what we should multiply with the divisor so that we get the first term of the dividend. I hope it's clear for you, right? Yeah. So now after we got the first term of the quotient, now what you have to do, you have to multiply the first term of the quotient with the total divisor. We have to multiply, compulsory. So multiply x plus 1 into 3x. How we will multiply? Like this we will multiply. Sorry, first we will multiply x into 3x. X into 3x, definitely you will get 3x square. Yes, to get that first term only we did this all things, right? This all first term by first term. Definitely the first term should be same. Otherwise somewhere you did mistake. Check again. That is the thing. To get this first term equal only, we are doing this inside term by outside first term, right? Yeah. Now second term will be changed. Second term here, second term we will get change. Which second term? Not second term of quotient. Second term of here. That is x into 3x is over. Next is what? Plus 1 into 3x. So plus into plus is plus. 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into, sorry, nothing is there into x is x. So here we did not get the same term here. Here we have plus x and here we have plus 3x. So generally what we do after getting this, what we have to do is we have to subtract, right? So 3x square plus 3x. This is something which I got when I multiplied x plus 1 into 3x totally. Now when we do subtraction, you know the symbols will change and you have to respect the symbols which have changed. This was plus and now it will be minus. This was plus and now it will be again minus. So the changed symbols you need to put in the bracket so that you can understand after 10 days also, after 1 month also, that initially it was plus, now it became minus. So who is now? Minus. The bracket one is changing now. Now have a look, Nana. Here 3x square and 3x square both will get cancelled. To cancel only we are doing this much hard work, right? So the first term has been cancelled. The first term has been cancelled. Now here you check what we have. We have like terms, x and x, both are like terms. This is x and this is also x. So obviously they are like terms. Now just go with the coefficient. Plus x means it is plus 1x and this is minus 3. So this is plus 1 and this is minus 3. So plus 1 and minus 3 when you add, children, plus 1 and minus 3 when you add, you will get minus 2x. But you will get minus 2x, right? So finally I'm telling that x minus 3x is what? It is minus 2x. That's what I have done here. Got it? Yeah. Next, you need to bring down the last term which is remaining. What is remaining here? Minus 1 is remaining. So please bring that down, minus 1. Done? Yeah. So now our first term's quotients work is over. We have found the first term by first term, then we have wrote it here, then we multiplied, and after that we subtracted, and even we wrote the remainder also. What remainder? After multiplying the first term, right? We have wrote the remainder. Now, as it is over, should we continue or should we stop? That is the thing. Should we continue division or should we stop? That is the question. See, when we should stop, first thing, if you get the remainder, you stop. If you get the remainder, you stop. So did we get the remainder? No, we did not get the remainder as 0. Sorry. If you get the remainder as 0, then you stop. Here the remainder is not 0. So we should not stop. Then what is the other way to understand whether we should stop or not? The degree of the remainder should be less than degree of the divisor. I repeat, degree. When we should stop, here let me write stop dividing, stop division, stop division. If remainder is equals to 0 or degree of remainder is less than degree of quotient. So these are the two situations where we need to stop. What? Sorry, not degree of quotient, degree of divisor. Degree of divisor. So here, what is the degree of remainder? 1. Degree of remainder is 1. What is the degree of divisor? It is again 1. So 1 is equals to 1, no, but not less than 1, no. So degree of remainder is 1. And 1 is equals to 1. So that means what? We should continue. That's the thing. So if you want to continue, here first thing what you have to do is you have to circle the first term. Why? To not get confused. Just circle with pencil, you circle, right? With pencil you circle, because the work of 3x is over. Now 3x is on hold. Pakana. 3x is on hold. So to not get confused, we are circling. Now once again we need to do first term by first term, Nana. So how we are going to get the second term? Have a look here. Now the second term of the quotient, to get the second term of the quotient, again we have to pick the first term. What is the first term here? Minus 2x. So please write that minus 2x here by outside first term. What is the outside first term? Outside first term is always same, Nana. So by x. So I think you understood. So the inside term will change every time, but the outside term will be same, right? So here x and x will get cancelled and you will get what? Minus 2. So this minus 2 is our second term of the quotient. Minus 2 is the second term of the quotient, right? Yeah, thank you. Now previously we wrote 3x and we multiplied, and that remainder also we got. Now we need to multiply this x plus 1 with whom? With minus 2. So already 3x is multiplied. That work is over. That's why I circled. So to not get confused, I am drawing this circle, right? So now I have to multiply x plus 1 into minus 2. Be careful. So here x into minus 2. First, x into minus 2. It will be minus 2x. Compulsory we will get the first term. That's why we are doing this whole thing. Then we have plus 1 into minus 2 is what? Minus 2. Okay. So now you can change the symbol and you can write here minus as plus, here also minus as plus. Now do the subtraction. When you do the subtraction, guys, what you will get? Here, first thing is minus 2x and plus 2x. It was minus 2x previously, but now it is what? Plus 2x, no better. So minus 2x and plus 2x. I hope you're getting me. Both are opposite sign, no, so they will get kind. Here you see, this is plus 3x square and this was minus 3x square. So symbol change, no. So this symbol change. One is minus 2x and one is plus 2x. So cancel. Next, what is there? Next we have minus 1 and plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2. Who is bigger? 2 is bigger. So minus 1 plus 2 is nothing but 2 minus 1. That is 1. So this 1 is the remainder, Nana, here. Please don't get confused. The bigger number is plus, so our answer will be plus, right? So here, this 1 is the remainder which we are getting. 1 is the remainder. Now, you know, the division process will be stopping. Why? Because we did not get 0, but we got a polynomial whose degree is less than degree of the divisor. What is degree of this polynomial? What is degree of this polynomial? 0. What do you mean by degree? Number of variables. Here, how many variables there? No variables there. Means what is the degree? 0. So 0 is less than 1. No. Here the degree is 1. Here the degree is 0. Right? Yeah. I hope everybody understood. So I request you to take the screenshot of this so that later you can understand. Now everything will be easy. You will be understanding. But when you see this thing again, you may get confusion like itching. So that's why certain things are very important, like this circling of this one, right, and changing, putting the brackets for the next time symbols. These all things are essential, Nana. They are required, compulsory. So Abhinaya wrote 5. I don't know why you wrote 5, but Raju already wrote 1 here. Yeah. So let me see. You have done no with the screenshot. You have taken no. You can see here. Again, the same thing is done here. They don't show any respect. You see, they did not keep brackets for this one and here also. And they did not circle also here, right? So why we circle? Actually, we circle so that we don't get confused, because x plus 1 already you multiplied with 3x. If you don't keep circle, no, again you will multiply x plus 1 into 3x. Then it will be wrong. No? Yeah. So these are the steps, Nana. Step 1. Divide 3x squared by x equals to 3x. It becomes the first term in quotient. Then multiply x plus 1 into 3x. These all are the things which I have already said to you. I hope everybody understood how to divide a polynomial, right?